Okay, good morning. Wednesday. I don't think the market only open for a short period of time tomorrow. But here's the overnight high and low. That really belonged to like the extended open yesterday. We got this channel going. Been hanging around this overnight low. We got one correction up against this channel. Let's see if that channel has been tested. Yes, one been tested twice here, so I'm pretty good with that test. So let's see how we do here.
Order submitted.
So we got this here, pretty strong support. This is a pretty bearish candle here. Just don't like the fact that it's right by the support line here. So I'm not going to take that.
Order canceled.
I didn't want to do it right here because that's really a doji. It's not really that bearish. So let's just wait and see if we have another rejection somewhere here. We need a better entry point. We're coming into this small area. So we took it right here. We only have like a point before it hits its support line. And it's been holding. It's been holding. So let's not rush into this trade. We have a second entry long right here, but so close to a trend channel that's been a resistance and the EMA. So I'm gonna see if this is a trap and place it below this double bottom. See if we can get some trap trader. If it doesn't, we're gonna wait again for the next opportunity. We got a
order canceled.
Creating a triple bottom, and then went up. So this can be a short trap for the long. But then again, we take it right here. Yeah, I like this, but we're below the EMA, and we're going against the trend channel. I feel like if it can break below this triple bottom, it's actually a better trade.
Order
right now,
submitted.
So many things going against you right now. You got the EMA and the trend channel, and you're on a downtrend. And there's nothing that tells me that the trend is reversing. So let's wait. Let's see if we can go short. Here we go. We got full bottom.
Target filled.
Right down. There you go. Got a scalp. We really don't know where the bottom is. So this, I'm just going to leave this here and be really aggressive with the runner and see if we can get something going. I'm going to wait until this candle's done, and then I'll put it, well, it is already one tick below this one right now. Okay, let's keep some gain. I feel like we should keep some gain. Yeah, let's keep some gain and leave this. See if we can get all the way down there again.
Stop filled.
Not too bad. Okay, so we have a nice rebound right here. I didn't want to go for that one. I saw it, but was kind of nervous because of the downtrend, and we're not too far away from EMA, about 4 points. But here we are. We got a first leg say we're working on the second. Gonna see where this closes. It has to close above. I will enter this if a bar closes above the EMA, so that we can resume this trend. Something like this tells me that we might have a measure move, so we're going to be looking out for that. Okay, so it looks like we might have it here. I modified the channel because of the swing, but I want to wait until this bar at least closes. Gotta be bullish. Gotta be bullish. That got a nice second leg, clearly visible. So it's close so high against the resistance again, so okay, look like that's
Order
it right
filled.
there. It's a big wrist bar though, big wrist. I do think we got that right there. Got a double bottom. I just didn't want to go in on this because of the doji that formed there, but we'll see how this one does. We went off of that very bullish bar. As soon as this bar closes, I'm going to move my stop up. Can't afford to take, let's see, what is it here? 1, 2, 3 and a take risk. I was going to move 1 tick below this big bar right here, but then it went right down to where that is and stopped, so it's exactly where we put it. Good thing it's holding. Okay, I'm going to be moving my stop here, except for instead of 1 tick, I want to do 2 ticks in case it tick back down to trap and goes up. I mean, I can risk another $12.50 per contract to ensure that I get something, but we improved that by almost a point, so now our risk remains at about 2.5. Okay, I'm just gonna let this one play out. I'll resume the video later. I gotta step away for a little bit. So basically, if the runner gets to our measure move, great. If not, if we get the thing, we most likely will end up with 1 tick for the runner only. We'll see if that works out for us, but I'll be back. Looks like we lost that trade. Let's see what happened. So our stop was right here, and then this one came down. Either way, we would have lost down here as well, and then now it shoots back up way past what we needed. Okay. Maybe that wasn't a good entry after all. Near the midline, close to the resistance. Bummer. Okay. Noted. Maybe it's right here. Hey, same thing with yesterday. I have to go to a different system to complete out my trade because I have to leave home. So here it is. It's been a while. I think we took some trade right here and we lost. I believe it was right here. We lost a trade somewhere right here. So you look at that tray earlier, the channel was drawn differently. Now that we have different peak, we sort of know what went wrong. But I think there's, I'm gonna start getting looking into asking myself question and make sure that all the criteria are met, right? We have to know that, hey, we're not going against, um, we're not entering a long or something against a resistance, or we're not going short against a really strong support. And then also, do we have enough room to actually move up or move down depending on what position you're taking? So I think those are important question. And then is there a clear second entry? Sometimes first entry works, right? But I think we need to have a lot more experience before we can spot those price movement. But we have to clearly see um, a price a second entry before we go in. So let's keep that in mind. Okay, I'm gonna see if there's an opportunity here. So we got a first correction right here. Oops. First correction right there. Tick back up. Now it's ticking down. I do want to see a close above the EMA. Depends on how that is. We can say this is the even then, as long as we close right here, even with this channel might be like, well, yeah, keep it there because of the body, but it's still there. We already went out of it and test back in, it stays right there. So let's see if this give us an opportunity here. I'll keep you guys updated. Wow, this is kind of tempting. You got a really long pin bar. Could have gone above that, but then that pin bar is below the EMA. Kind of like, I wish that pin bar would close above the EMA. But right now, let's wait for a confirmation candle and see if we can get the bullish one here. So it went down, touched that, tested, rechecked it. So this is now, that one's in play. Okay, we already this right here, we gone over that once. We came back, tested, right? It would not be a surprise to see it goes up again. Okay, so I see a two-legged correction right here. So this ticks up over. Still working on that leg, but I don't like to put it right there. We finally have it close over the EMA, form a double top right here. So we will need to get over that hump before we can um, continue to move up. So, and this is not a breakout play, right? Some people might say you are playing a continuation of um, this second leg up, and we might have a measure move. So let's see if we can get in. Last trade for the day to see if we can end our day as in the green, or that second trade that we did earlier in the day will get us again clear second entry. 1, 2, and plenty of room to move up. Okay, we're playing off this channel, and even if it's this right here, just have to get
Order
one tick
filled.
above. Okay, so we finally got our entry point. I'm gonna do it be just below this one, not that, but we'll see. Okay, so we have that, and then it's actually also above the EMA, so I'm happy with that. Okay, let's get this trade going. And then for the scout, for the runner, this is the resistance right here. But let's keep it up here where our measure move is. I'm gonna go big or go home here.
Target filled.
There's the scalp. There's the price move up. Do we want to lock it in or no? Let's leave it. Let's wait until this finish. Got to the midline. I'm gonna put the video on pause here and then show you guys how this runner turns out. But this is the last tray. I'll combine the two that we did this morning and see how we do. But I don't remember. I know we ended in the red because of that second tray, unfortunately. But we'll take a look at it when we combine the two. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hold it in so that we at least get a point from this runner, and then I will just let it be and see if we have what it takes to get to the measure move. If it does, it will be a great day. But that's what these runners are for, right? So we just want to trap in a minimum of a tick, and then after that, we can just let it rise and see if we can catch a break.
Stop filled.
Oh, there you go. We already got stopped out. So 150, pretty easy to remember. I'll combine that with whatever we did today. I think we're still in slightly in the red, but again, we're gonna start having to. I'm gonna write this down, right? Do we have enough room to move to the top? Are we up against a resistance of some kind? We are here, but hey, we already broke out of this particular channel, so we'll do it again. This is a pullback within that channel. We retested this area a couple of times. That's why we took this trade. Um, um, those are the things, right? What's your support and all these things. We can't just rush into trades. Okay, all right. I'll see. Happy Thanksgiving. Market open slightly on Friday. I'm going to try to see if I can get some trade in. Really focusing on the volume. If the volume's not there, I'm not going to sit there for a long time trying to get some trade. If not, we're just going to resume next week. Okay, all right. Have a wonderful day.